Wicked savings at Dow Furniture during our President's Day sale, February 18th through the 25th. Customize your space with up to $700 off on furniture and select mattress purchases at Dow Furniture. Update your home on a budget at Dow's discount with great values like the American Glory Mattress Truckload Special and 10% off furniture and mattresses. Plus, every $99 or more invoice supports the Community Energy Fund that helps those in need keep warm. Dow Furniture, the furniture and mattress capital of Maine.